Okay, this is example 4, check understanding 4 on page 35. And this is an absolute value inequality. And it's an absolute value inequality which is of the form greater than or equal to. Okay, and like I said at the beginning when we solved absolute value equations, before we can do any algebra to both sides of the inequality sign, we need to break down the inequality. We need to take a step that gets rid of the absolute value symbols. Okay, and the step, you can think of it logically and make sense of it, or you can just remember this is what you're supposed to do. All right, if I was looking at this on a number line, all right, what this statement here says is that this 3x plus 6 must be greater than or equal to 12. Right? If whatever value of x we substitute makes that expression greater than or equal to 12, then that will satisfy our inequality. However, if it makes this expression equal something less than negative 12, when I take the absolute value, it'll turn that into a number greater than 12, and this inequality will hold also. So the two inequalities that we set up are this: 3x plus 6 is greater than or equal to 12. 3x plus 6 is less than or equal to negative 12. Okay, and those two are tied together with an or, meaning the solution to this inequality will be the areas on the number line that satisfy this on the left side of the number line and the right side. They won't overlap, so there's no way that you would ever have a place where they overlap and you could say it's the both. It has to be one or the other. Let's solve these and see what it looks like. Minus 6, 3x is greater than or equal to 6. Divide by 3, x is greater than or equal to 2. Okay, minus 6, 3x is less than or equal to negative 18. Divide by 3, x is less than or equal to negative 6. Okay, let's put those on a number line. Again, we understand this is going to be an or. So to the left will be our negative 6, to the right will be our positive 2, and I'll highlight this in blue. If x is greater than or equal to 2, I should use closed circle on 2 because it's or equal to. And I should shade to the right, right? Solve for x on the left. This is pointing the direction of the shading. Right, this is less than or equal to negative 6, another closed circle, and it should be shaded to the left. So any value of x which is less than negative 6 or greater than 2 would solve this compound inequality. And make sure that you can follow the example above this in the textbook.